And it goes a little something like.
Hey guys, it's Nurmi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Red Luna Journal. Alright, so today I'm going to be filming a video where we do a little get ready with me. It's going to be a little fancy. We're going to do hair, we're going to do makeup, and I have nowhere to go. It's a Tuesday, but why not, you know, just get ready for the hell of it. I mean, we're not doing anything anyways. I might as well just feel good about myself. So there you go, that's what we're gonna do today. First things first, this video is sponsored by the brand Duvolle. I have done a product review on their scrub brush before. Scrub brush? Bristle cleaning brush? Exfoliating body brush. I got another email from them to review on their heat styling hair tools that they've released recently, and I was really excited because I always wanted a big barrel curling wand because the waves are much more like bigger, natural, stuff like that. That's kind of the look I'm going for. All right, so this is the Duvolle Desire Series Professional Curling Wand. It has infrared heat technology that deeply penetrates and distributes heat, reducing heat damage. All Duvolle tools maintain an even temperature throughout the styling process. It has an ergonomic grip that makes styling easy and comfortable. They're clamp-free wands, which keep the hair healthier and more natural looking, which honestly was the thing I was really looking for. I hate that clamp thing. It doesn't work for my kind of hair. Like, it's thick, it's coarse, so it always like created like a weird indentation and stuff, and it was never like smooth to do. So all the information for Duvolle's products are gonna be down below. Check out their products, they're really good. Honestly, they have a lot of different things. I also have a 70% off promo code for all of you guys, so that's gonna be right here. Ooh, yeah. But all the information is gonna be in the description box below, so make sure to check that out. So it comes with a plastic wrap, and then you see the wand. See, this is nice and thick. Oh, they gave a glove, how nice. Don't judge me, I'm wearing pajama pants on the bottom. Heat protection, you always gotta use heat protection. This is the same one I've been using for many years. It's just my go-to product. It's the Tresemme Heat Tamer Thermal Creations. It's a leave-in spray, protects against heat damage, and it works with heat appliances. Ending thoughts about this curling iron, it's really good. To be honest, I haven't used like a big barrel curling iron before, so I can't really compare it to anything, but it's pretty good for what it does. So I got the 32mm curling wand. It's called the Desire Series, and it's originally $95 on their website, but with that 70% off, you're gonna get a discount. All right, so now comes the exciting part, which is makeup. The concealer I have is this Maybelline New York concealer, and it's in the shade 40 Caramel, and it looks like this. And I don't usually wear this because it does break me out, and it's not just this product. You guys know my whole skincare journey. So I usually just wear Youngblood products, which is what works with my skin. But their concealer that they have is like it's like a compact cream concealer. So I don't really like that. I prefer like a more liquid one if I'm like really like going to an event or something. So every once in a while I use this, but it does kind of break me out. So I haven't been using it at all recently. So I'm gonna start off with this concealer, and then I'm gonna set my face after with this Youngblood powder in the shade Dark. And it's the Mineral Rice Setting Powder. This is the same one I use all the time, so you guys know this. Oh, let's try this TikTok hack out, because I saw it. Instead of putting your concealer in that triangle thing, you put it like right here and then there, because it lifts your face. Let's try it and see if it works. Does that look more lifted? You know what? I feel like it actually does. But I can't tell if it's just because I put concealer, so my under eye looks brighter. But I feel like my eyes look so weird because I've been looking at it too long. But I feel like it kind of looks different. I'm gonna go in with blush now, that same brush, and it's the same Youngblood blush that I always use. It is the Pressed Mineral Blush in the shade Blossom, and it looks like this. It's like a nice pink, like a rosy pink shade. I'm gonna go in with my Splendor Mineral Radiance Quad thing from Youngblood, and it looks like this. Honestly, if you're gonna pick up anything from Youngblood, I would really recommend doing this. It's got the perfect blend of everything. So I'm gonna take like this rose goldy shade and mix that actually with the middle white one and put that as highlighter. I'm gonna use the same eyeshadow palette that I always use. It's the Impressed You Beauty Glazed palette, and it's from Amazon. It's got a bunch of these shades. So with this fluffy brush, I'm gonna go in with these two shades as my transition shade on my crease. So now I'm gonna take this thinner fluffy brush and I'm gonna go in to the dark browns and put that in the more like outer portion of my crease. I'm just gonna use this really small dense brush, take some of that highlighter and just press it in my inner corner. Ooh, look at that. So now going to the lower lashes, I'm gonna take this angled brush. I don't know why I just blinked. I'm gonna take some of the dark brown shade that I put on the upper outer crease and just drag it along the bottom lower lash line. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with eyeliner, which I'm really excited for because I got a new liquid liner and I have been able to create some really cute liner looks with this, knock on wood, that I don't mess it up during this video. It is the NYX Professional Makeup Matte Liquid Liner, and I really, really like this one. It's in the shade Black, by the way, but I really like this one because instead of that like felt tip, it's got a really, really thin tip, and it's really made it easier for me to actually, I don't know if you guys can tell, it's really thin. It's made it so much easier for me to actually create like the wing that I want. I'm probably gonna do this off camera and then come back and show you guys because I'm too nervous to do it on camera. It's not gonna work. Okay, I finished my eyeliner. It's definitely not perfect, but honestly, it's like way more precise than I ever would get with that felt tip liner. So I really like this eyeliner. So yeah, I'm gonna go in with mascara. I finally got a mascara, woo! It is the one I always like. I know it's kind of basic, but sorry. It's the CoverGirl Clump Crusher. The reason I really like this is that it elongates my lashes, which I really like. I'm not really looking for more volume per se because I have pretty thick lashes already, but I like it because the whole clump crusher part is really important to me. I hate clumpy mascara. It's like my least favorite thing. Also, this mascara doesn't weigh me down. It's really natural and I like the feeling of it because I don't like how mascara feels normally. Oh yeah, I gotta do eyebrows still. I do have an eyebrow pencil because I bought that as well. So it's just the same one I always get. It's the L'Oreal Paris Brow Stylist Definer Ultra Fine Tip Shaping Pencil in the shade Dark Brunette. I really don't like filling in my brows too much, so that's pretty much all I'm gonna do. And then I'm gonna take my Great Lash by Maybelline. It's a clear, transparent, it's like a mascara, but I use it as brow gel. I really like that soft, fluffy look for the brows, so that's usually what I go for. Now it's time for lips. So I picked up my first lip liner ever, and it's the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in the shade Stockholm. And it's like this pink. I thought it was gonna be like a really nice nude for me, but honestly, it's way lighter than the tip of it, so I couldn't really tell. It's way too light for my lips. Now that I'm looking at it though, should I try this for my lips? Because I have pretty dark brown lips. It's my L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Smoldering Eyeliner in the shade brown, but it just caught my eye. So let me just try it and see what we get. Holy, I guess that is kind of how dark it's supposed to be, right? I don't fucking know. I look fucking crazy right now. Don't worry, I'm gonna blend it out. Don't worry. Don't worry. I'm gonna use a little bit of the lip liner that's too light for me and kind of try to blend it out. Okay, I'm gonna take my MAC lipstick. I look so, don't look at me. I'm gonna take my MAC lipstick in the shade Taupe AA7. It's matte and it's my favorite lipstick ever. So I'm just gonna dab this on my lips and then I'm gonna blend with my fingers because I need to get this brown liner looking a little bit more blended. I feel like that the eyeliner actually worked as lip liner for me. Okay, I actually don't mind it at all. I think it looks really good. It looks really natural in person, but it does like look like my lips are a little bigger, so I'm really happy about that. I've never tried that before, but interesting. I'll probably be using this with a blend of that one that's too light for me in the future. So I have two lip glosses here that I got. One of them is a NYX Butter Gloss. This is like my favorite lip gloss of all time. It's in the shade Bit of Honey. And then I also have the Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme Instant and Long-Term Lip Plumper. And it's just like a clear, it has a little bit of a pink tint. Why can I not open this? And that was satisfying. It looks like this. It smells like strawberries. It's really nice. So I'm gonna use this one. I think it's gonna match really well.
And it goes a little something like.
Alright, well, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was just a little get ready with me. Again, I just wanted to do this to pick myself up, even though I'm probably gonna wash this off after I take some photos. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below and follow my Instagram as well. It's @RedLunaJournal, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.